We're here at Hilton Grand Vacations Club at SeaWorld, and we're staying in a studio unit. It's pretty small, but just how small is it? Well, you're going to want to stick around because we're going to check it out right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. We're here today in unit 9403. This is in Paget House here at Hilton Grand Vacations Club in Orlando at SeaWorld. Pretty small unit here, only a studio. We're gonna head inside now and we'll take a look. So here we are inside the studio unit here at Hilton Grand Vacations Club at SeaWorld. Kind of looks like a pretty small unit, but as soon as we come in here, looks like we have a small closet over here. Really not a whole lot going on in here. You do have your in-room safe, looks like a blanket up there, ironing board. So yeah, just a small closet. So then in here we do have a small kitchenette, so you have your microwave, coffee maker, some coffee supplies, some paper towels. It looks like just a small fridge here. So yeah, small fridge. It does have, looks like an ice box, but I don't know that that is actually freezing anything because it doesn't look like there's any frost on that. So I'm not too sure what's going on there. Up here we do have a toaster. So toaster in there. And then in here, looks like we do have dinnerware and glassware for 2 people. So you have that there. And I guess the cutlery or your utensils are kind of up on the top here. It's kind of difficult to get to that up there, but that's where you'll find those. And then down here, well, we have a small sink. Then it looks like underneath here is where you'll find some trash and some kitchen supplies. Then across from the kitchenette, we do have a full-length mirror. And behind this door is where we're going to find the bathroom. So it looks like you have a pretty good sized tub down here with a shower. So that's good to have. And of course, your pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there on the wall. And across from that, looks like just a single vanity. Nice big bright lighted mirror with a makeup and shaving mirror there too. Looks like it's easy to turn on and off. Just got a little touch thing there on the actual mirror itself. Now moving into the bedroom area here. This is actually where it's kind of really small. Not really happy with this studio villa. Most of the studios that we stay in at Marriott and Westin Timeshares, they have a sofa. This one doesn't have anything like that. Just kind of a chair over here with a small table. You have a couple of nightstands and a king-size bed. And I think these nightstands actually do have kind of exposed USB and power. And then they have kind of this alarm clock that's really old-fashioned because it really has that kind of big old-style pin connector that they used to have on Apple devices before the lightning cable. Then down here at the foot of the bed, we do have kind of a little bench thing here that has USB and power out on the front of that too. And then a good sized television up on top, kind of a little TV stand with looks like some storage here. So just some additional storage. And they do have, looks like a Blu-ray player. So yeah, there's a look back here at the studio unit. They do also have a ceiling fan up above. Now that we've seen inside, let's head outside and we'll take a look at the patio. Yeah, so not too bad of a patio here. A little bit on the small side. A couple of chairs with a table. And a nice thing here, of course, being in Florida and Orlando, they do have screens there on the patio. So it is nice to have that kind of blocked in, keeps the bugs out. And I will point this out over here. They do have an electrical outlet here too. So not much of a view from our studio unit here at Hilton Grand Vacations Club at SeaWorld in Orlando, Florida. But if you like this video and you're planning a trip here to Hilton Grand Vacations Club at SeaWorld, you'll want to see a full resort tour. You can check out that video right here. Click on that. Watch that coming up next. Thanks for watching. And remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.